Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Prosper, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale with Prosper, start by assessing your current business model. Understand your core strengths and identify areas for improvement. Research the market to identify potential growth opportunities. Once you have this information, set clear, achievable goals. Define what scaling means for your business, whether it's increasing revenue, expanding product lines, or entering new markets. Next, secure your finances by evaluating your funding options. Consider reinvesting profits, obtaining a business loan, or seeking investors. Create a solid business plan that outlines your scaling strategy. Detail the steps required to achieve your goals, including timelines and resources needed. As you implement your plan, focus on building a strong online presence. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach a wider audience. Ensure your website is optimized for user experience and conversion rates. Invest in tools and software that can automate and streamline your processes. This will help you manage increased demand more efficiently. Consider building a reliable team to support your scaling efforts. Hire individuals with the skills needed to contribute to your growth. Don't overlook the importance of training your existing team members. Maintain open lines of communication to encourage collaboration and innovation. Monitor your metrics to evaluate the success of your scaling efforts. Use analytics tools to track sales, customer engagement, and marketing performance. Adjust your strategy based on the data to improve results continuously. Emphasize customer feedback to enhance your product or service offerings. Engage with your customers for insights and recommendations. Expand your network by attending industry events and connecting with like-minded professionals. Leverage partnerships and collaborations to reach new audiences. Finally, be prepared to adapt to challenges and changes in the market. Stay agile and ready to pivot your strategy as necessary to maintain growth. Scaling with Prosper requires patience, persistence, and a strategic approach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.